It is Saturday the 22nd of May 2021 and I have reached the car park for the Cadair Idris walk, and we are going to go up the Minffordd Path. And our goal today is to go to the top of here and round this lake and then up there, up to the very top. So we've just started the walk now, coming over this waterfall. And there's the first gate. Thanks, Cliff. Isn't that nice?
Where that tree's come from, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, off there maybe.
Yeah.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's stunning scenery.
Yeah. And we're lucky at the moment. Hopefully we're not a view up the top.
Yeah. So we're just coming now toward the lake. And unfortunately it's just started to rain as well, which doesn't help. It's not that cold though, but as you can see, the peaks have got a lot of mist on them. So we have finally reached the lake.
And when I was doing the map reading,
you were going to go up that shaft. Yeah, I know. That's how I want it. We steep it down the bottom.
That's amazing views though.
Yeah. Yeah, Tom, did you look down there?
Look at that, that's stunning.
That's the ones you're doing. The dog just looked over and frightened the life out of me.
That is beautiful.
I thought he was going down. I was picking up Carrymore, now they're fucking slipping down. The only time you find that day you find difficult on the summit was we couldn't really see each other. I had to see you. Because we were walking past it at one point, we had to go keep going. Come on in. Where the top is now.
So we've reached the top of this bit of mountain and come to this stile, and over there is the drop off, and I'm not going over there to have a look because it's hailstones now. I'm not too sure if the camera's picking this up, but it is hailstones. So a little while ago we were on the other side of the lake, just about there, and we have now walked the whole all the way to the top of here, and now we come to the other side of the lake. And about 10 minutes ago it was pouring down with hailstones and we got absolutely soaked. But now it stops, it's just windy and cold now. Okay, so I haven't done any filming for the last half an hour because I've been walking over all this sort of stuff, and it's been too tricky to do any filming. But now we're coming up to the summit of the Cadair Idris. I can now do some filming. And as you can see, it's not easy. But there's the summit, there's the lads up there. Here we go. Getting to the top now. I've had to switch to the camera because my GoPro battery just ran out. Yeah, just hey? Oh, there we go. So we reached the top of Cadair Idris, which is up there, and now we're heading back down towards the car park. Well, we've just started, and we've picked up a stray, this fella here from Liverpool, and so there's now 6 of us, and the cloud has just completely lifted, and now the sun's come out. And a minute ago it was, you couldn't see a hand in front of you. It's actually quite tricky to walk on because it's not very supportive. So we've stopped for lunch and we're now walking towards the car park. Well, towards the steep part to go down towards the car park, but yeah. So now we're walking down this path here, and where Buckley is over there, we go straight down. So let's just see what that is like, because so far today it's either been straight up or straight down. There's been very little flat, but as I say, look at that view. And over there, just there, that's Mac Loop.
Come on then, let's get this done and over with.
So this is now downhill, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, loving life I am, loving it.
Yes, it looks like it's yeah, I will do.
Yeah.
So we are now on the path which basically leads us back to the river, which is that one over there in the distance, and that will take us back to the car park. It's been really tough going as well. Don't you just want to go for a swim in that? So we have finally made it to the bottom, and the way down was for me a real big struggle. I was getting cramp a lot, and it was very steep and rocks so uneven, the ground was so uneven, but we're now at the bottom, just walking to the car park. There's the cafe. I'm knackered. And we're now at the bottom, and the weather has just turned out absolutely fantastic. So this is the route back to the car park, and isn't this nice, especially with the sun coming through. I might go in there and join him.
Go on then. That's twice you said that.
Hey, that would sort you out actually, your cramps and all that. Cold water.
I'll get a bread surgery in.
Yeah, we've made it back to the car park, and the car park is full. Oh. We have finally made it. It's Sunday morning, 5 to 11, and we've left the hotel in McKinley after a beautiful breakfast, and we've driven down to what is called the Elan Valley, and we've just stopped off here to take some photographs of this reservoir, and I'll show you the waterfall in a minute. Stunning scenery around here. So this is the third reservoir and dam we have stopped at, and this is called Cadair Valley Reservoir.
Finish on the damage there. Yeah, you can feel it.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. Oh yeah. That is extremely windy, and of course the wind, it's a very, very cold wind as well. But we are very high up. Look at the spray off there.